Hey YouTube! Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome back to my channel. You can always subscribe down below, and this is my Ipsy unbagging. And I just want to say I've been using this different self-tanner, so I am tan AF for me right now, so let's not mind that. I am just like, I feel like I just like stepped off the beach. I'm a bronze goddess for me, come on. So, it is Ipsy time. Mine was taped shut, so I actually pulled the tape off before I filmed this, so. This is the bag, but I feel like there is ish in my bag. Okay, we have these Goodnight PM masks. Why does it say Meg on it? Are they supposed to say our names on them? It literally says my name. That doesn't make sense, right? They wouldn't do that, right? Is that the brand? I'm really confused. I don't know. It has to be the brand. These can't be like personalized, right? Do I sound so stupid right now? I'm not used to things saying my name on them. Okay, but anyway, these are skin feeling stressed from a long day. Say goodbye to rough and dry skin. I have rough and dry skin. And your night with a rejuvenating PM mask. So you like wear it at night before you go to sleep. So a girl can use a mask every once in a while. Next, this is what I cashed my points in for. It is the Tarte's Quick Dry Paint. I guess in the shade Grand. And I will show you. It's just like a pretty nude, and I love these Tarte colors, so it was worth it for the cash in of points, especially because it told me that my points were going to expire. So, yeah. And there's another thing in here. There must be nothing in the bag. Throw that on the floor. So this is just a fan brush. I don't know from what brand. Because Ipsy doesn't tell you what you're getting. It's also, it looks like a Tarte brush. It's a mermaid brush. It looks super mermaidy. I guess pulling it off. Ooh. Uh-oh. Seems like it loses its shape. It's like really floopy. Wingardium Leviosa. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa. Like, feels soft. It's a little like, it's a little wild. Like, I can't really see myself pulling up to a gig with this brush and being like, here, let me highlight your face for you. Let me use this really strange mermaid brush. Oh, by Moda. R&L Moda. But I don't really have like a hardcore fan brush, so a fan brush is a fan brush, I suppose. Oh, these are the markers, Ipsy Create. I have, if I want to color it in, I probably won't. So that, yeah, the theme is Ipsy Create, just in case you wanted to know. Next we have the Tarte Sex Kitten Liner. Oh wow, another black pencil liner. I mean, it's a pigmented eyeliner. Like I said, I can always throw these in my kit, so that's how this is useful to me. Next, we have the everything's falling out of my bag. Holy hell, in a handbasket. It says Sinister, Furless Sinister. I guess Furless is the brand. Whenever I think of Sinister, think of the creepy ass horror movie. Oh, I just flung that. Oh, this seems to have had a box malfunction. It's like all over in the box and on the product. Seems to be a gold pigment? I mean, it looks like a high-end thing, but I keep getting pigments. That's what the shade looks like, so don't mind. Look at this self-tan poo where I had my ponytail holders. I am Donald Trump, call me Donald Trump. But that looks like a really pretty color. But again, ew, it doesn't look as pretty when you swatch it. Don't ask me why I swatched it in the worst place on the planet, but kind of looks like goose poop there. This is like exploding everywhere. It's like exploded mess. Last but not least, we have the, oh, I got one of these before, the Mellow Cosmetics in Nude. Did I already get this? I've gotten a product by them before, and it is, oh, the shade Posh. So this is my second one from Ipsy. But I know that this shade that I got before in Posh is super drying. It's like draggy dry matte lipstick. This is a much more wearable shade. Looks like that. It's like a nudie. This is a much more wearable shade. It's very similar to the other shade I got. I love the packaging. It's like a nude MAC lipstick, but let me swatch the other one. Yeah, the other one is kind of, I mean, they're both nude shades, but I know this is dry AF. So it seems like the same exact formula, so I know that it's gonna be dry AF. So we'll try it. It could be something different. It could be something different in the formulation. I won't knock it off forever right now, but I do know I did not like the last Mellow Cosmetic lipstick I got. So that was my Ipsy bag. Not my best Ipsy bag. Definitely will use the 2 lip products. I'm not really gonna use the eyeliner. That's just like kind of, this is like exploding everywhere, but I will try it. It could look pretty wet. And a fan brush, I could always, I mean, fan brush is a fan brush. And then these masks I will try out, and I will let you guys know in my recap at the end of the month how all of this stuff went. Guys, thank you so much for watching. That was our Ipsy unbagging. That did not go as smooth as I thought it would. But thank you so much for joining me. Have a fabulous night, guys. Bye.